Welcome everybody to this beautiful day. The sun is out. I think it's gonna be 22. It's about 74 Celsius, Fahrenheit, the whole works. All right, we're here. We're doing this place here all the way around both sides. There's a little over 200 feet of hedge to do. We'll bring you guys along with us. Look at the dandelions, they're starting to turn. People are gonna start making their wine. You never had dandelion wine? That's the rich person's wine. So we'll bring you guys along with us. You guys enjoy this. We got a couple guys down today. A couple guys down. So it's making it a bit harder on the top guys and on the guys that do what we call with the extension. Anyway, so you guys enjoy this. We're all done. We're just cruising around. I'm gonna show you guys. Got our sticker there. The same old thing. You can see here there's a big curve right here because of this tree. That's what causes that, because there's not as much sun getting in there. Then when you look at the rest here, this is all good. I'll show you guys around out back there where it's quite a bank. We've got the pool. T'as-tu besoin d'un coup de main? Tu veux-tu Philippe reste? Ok, Philippe? Ok. Alright, he's just telling me he wanted to fill this. They help him out since we're missing a guy. So Phil's on the trimming with us this morning. Well, today all day. So we took Phil from them since we were missing two guys. He just said he'd like to have him do this job. It's quite a bit here. Looks good everywhere. Yeah, look at those dandelions, huh? Some people don't keep their stuff very nice. All right, Phil, you're gonna stay here and help the guys. You got the next job, so you know where to go? All right. All right, on vire de bord, les gars. All right, here, tell your guys they're keeping the hedge. Okay, so we're not raking? There's a 12 out back. We're gonna rake it. We put it under a 12. Okay, she wants to keep it. Just tell them, then you can start trimming with us. We're just getting to the next one here. This job here is a job we do. See, we do that tree in the fall. Those cedar hedges right there we're taking out this week. This week at the end of the week we're going to be taking that out, and there's a part out back there to take out. We just finished up this side here. Now we got to do this side. Did this last week right here. Look at this little piece of land here they have. Do these two hedges here. Do the neighbor over there too, then we do the neighbor on the other side here. Beautiful day out. Hope you guys are enjoying these videos. I don't know if you guys had a chance to see the video where we took out the hedge. We took out like a, I don't know, 15, 16 foot high hedge a couple videos ago. If you guys have a chance, or I'll put it with this video. If you guys want to see it, I'll put it or you guys can go get it. I'll put a link, like they say, I'll put a link in the description. Alright, this one's looking good here. I'll grab my ladder, bring it back. See, these are like little duplexes. Alright, you guys, we just got to the next one. I'm going to show you guys here. This is a rough one. Rough is not the word. I don't know when the last time this one was done, but it's been a while. Got my guy with experience on here, Brian. He's going to take care of this. Have to make some room so we can get by here. Brian? Yeah. So what's the plan for here? People would like to know. The people have been writing me and saying they want us to explain what we're doing.
We're gonna cut the cedar.
No, we know that.
We're gonna cut it and round it off, make it nice and even all the way down, straight top, rounded so no snow collects on, but if it does, it falls off in the winter time.
Probably hasn't been done, I'd say, in 5, 6, 7, maybe even 8 years, this place here, I'd say. Just looking at it.
Pretty straggly.
Yeah, so just be careful with the wires.
Yep.
I didn't even notice if it was both sides here, if it was just one side. I'll go look.
I think it's both sides.
No, I don't think, I hope not. All right, and we'll do that side over there. All right, so we'll take care of all this. Did we move this or was there?
It was there.
All right.
The only thing we moved was the guys can't. Going all the way back?
Yeah. Hopefully you can, you got a couple rallonges?
Not right on.
You might need two.
Back up a little more.
Okay, I'll back up, you let me know.
I'll tell you when to stop.
So look at what this thing looks like. Put some tarps on the ground here since it's crushed stone. Alright, I'll fix it up. Let me go take a look and see if it's both sides. We got our little plans on the back of the truck so everyone can see them when we get to a job. They just look to see what we're doing. No, just one side. See, this is the one right here. Just one side. Alright, I'll tell the guys we're just doing one side. Alright, so you see how he's fixing that up there. Hey, Fernando! clean up his electric meter here so you can see what he's doing. We'll go clean the corner of the house up there. Show you guys how it came out over here. I think his tree needs to be done out front. Yeah, you can get through there without getting all scratched up. Hey, hey. I see. We're just finishing this one up here. I want to show you guys cross street here, one we did a couple weeks ago. Probably 25 feet high. I have no understanding why they would have such a high hedge. We'll do it. We did it this year, and they probably won't do it for the next 3-4 years. That's pretty well as high as we go. That's it. After that, it's no fun. Look, even this one here is a high one. We do this one every 2 years. We're able to keep control of it. See up there is not done yet. This one's all done. Looking good. Did the neighbors. So that electric trimmer is still going. I think this is our 3rd season with it. So only had a couple hiccups. Too bad everything's so expensive on it. The batteries are like $500 each. You buy 3 batteries, it's $1,500 just for batteries. Then you need the battery booster. That's another $400. Then the machine is probably $500. Starts to get expensive for stuff like that. See here at the bottom where the deer have eaten it all. That's the deer ate all that stuff there at the bottom. That's why you can see the neighbors. Alright, this little tree over here, we're going to trim this up. We're going to trim it the same height as the hedges because it's in their electrical wire coming into the house and the cable and internet wire coming in. So we'll just cut that right down, take about 4 or 5 feet off the top of that. Make that look good. Trim up that hedge right here. Hope you guys are enjoying these videos. We enjoy doing them for you guys. Talk about a backyard that goes down. Just finishing this one up. Fills out of gas. I'm going to show you, not much room here. He's got a little porch right in here. We got to move the stuff around to try to get in here. See over on this side, see the top over there, right there. Only do half it because he doesn't want us to do the neighbor's side. We've been coming here for years, that's why you can see how long it is. I think might be a problem with the neighbor. Something's going on there. We had another one yesterday. Neighbor called the police because we were trimming the hedges at the neighbors. It's some weirdo people. Some people are really weird. The client wanted to have his hedge done both sides, because it's all his. And the neighbor didn't want us to go on his land, trim the hedge. I go, well, what are you talking about? The neighbor is paying to have your hedge done. Every year we come here, it's always the same problem with you. Some people are like that. Never happy. All right. Adios, amigos.